see y'all got cigarettes in tiny liquor bottles, just what you expect.
So happy now. I also. When I watch it, I think how it can possible. How she smiles. Leave it. Now our main motto of this video is so-called talented actors. I am not talking about Manoj sir, Nawaz sir, late Irfan Khan sir, and so many talented actors which are in Bollywood. I'm talking about so highly talented actors which are in Bollywood and try to give a blockbuster movie like Panipat, like Most Wanted, like Gunde. Almost Gunde was a good movie, but not on the basis of Arjun Kapoor acting, on the basis of Ranveer Singh and Priyanka Chopra, and also Irfan Khan sir. I am asking a question to all of you. Have you watched Panipat movie? Means full movie, not by skipping or anything which you all do to watch a movie. Means if you will watch this movie, you will either die or got mad. When I watched this movie, then I was totally confused. Means one expression and full movie. How it can possible? Means by expressing only one expression, you will do whole movie. When it will come on happy mood, then also sad mood, angry mood. What is this? Means anything, any actor. I mean, if any other actor will do such type of expressions as such type of movie, then I think he will not establish their future in Bollywood. But no, his father is a producer, Boni Kapoor. His mother is a actress, popular actress, Sridevi. You all have noticed one thing when you were in a school or in college. Then if any child of principal or teacher, then most of the teacher focused on them, not on you. This case also happens in Bollywood, because if any director or any producer will not cast him in any movie, then he can destroy his future, he can destroy all of them which they have. So all people have feared something about all that stuff which can happen with him. And other talented actress is Alia Bhatt. Means you can't say anything about her. Sometimes I got confused how any person followed him or her. Means how they inspire from her or him, by their acting or anything else. I am not saying all that which you all are thinking, but yes, it happens. I also see all this stuff happening around our surrounding. And if you all say Alia Bhatt is cute, then see this picture. Now, what you all will say? Is she not? Or yes? If I will say, then I think she is more cute than Alia Bhatt. Means I have crush on her, but sometimes I just think how this thing happens. Means how people inspire from also highly talented actors. Like one of them is Varun Dhawan. I am not criticizing Varun, but can you please say how you can compare Varun with Govinda? Means anything, kuch bhi. Means overacting versus acting. How it can possible? If anyone will do comedy, then it's not important he will Johnny Lever or Govinda. This case also happens in Govinda and Varun case. See one thing, mango will not grow on a tree of baboon. This also happened in this case. And if you will talk about Sonakshi Sinha, then nothing. You can't say nothing. Have you seen her last video with Salmon Bhai? Means, have you seen that? I'm not saying anything, but just asking. Have you seen that video which got viral? And if you will see her acting skill, then wow. Means wow. Are you all struggling in your life, or even ever a struggle in your life? I think no, because Ananya Pandey is true struggler, means real struggler. If you will talk about her talent, then what you can say? Means she can touch her nose with her tongue. What? What is this? But no, it's her talent. She said in Kapil Sharma show, I have a different talent. She can touch her nose with her tongue. And Sonam Kapoor, no, I am not attaching this image in my video. How it got attached? So leave it. Means if you will talk about Sonam Kapoor, means how I am doing all this. When I saw all of them acting a skill, then sometimes I think then some of my friend also go in Bollywood and perform well, because I think most of my friend is talented actor, talented actress, because I think they all can perform much better than all of them. And a recently actress launched by Nepo King, means you all can understand of which I am talking about. Yes, Karan Johar. He also launched Janhvi Kapoor. Means when I saw her acting, then I sometimes feel how Nepo King can launch all of them. Oh, it's all matter of money and power which he can got from her mother or father, because their mother and father is popular and they can give him respect as well as connection as well as money, and on behalf of that he will launch all the talented actors. And these are the list of some talented actors which are recently work in Bollywood and performing well. How it can possible? If you all relate with these topics, then you can comment, also like and share this video to your friend who just want to see her or him acting skill. Thanks for watching this video, guys.